Just removed the Blu-ray drive. I have some ribbon with some gold right over there at the tips on each side. Got a little magnet here. I know the laser contains a little bit of gold. A little green board in here might pass as peripheral. And there you go. And that's the Blu-ray drive. Put that aside. Here's another little, I guess, peripheral board. You definitely have, I don't know if you can see that, but you definitely have some gold over there. Some monolithic capacitors. I've talked about those in the past. They sell for quite a bit. I recently sold about 12 ounces of those for about 80 bucks. There's gold in this connector here, gold in here. You have some IC chips. That's looks good. Again, some wire. I'm getting it. Almost there. Ooh, there you go. Got that piece of plastic out. Now we're gonna get access to the motherboard. There's a few more security torque screws. Got your little fan here. Heatsink. We're almost here, almost on the motherboard, where most of the supposed scrapping will be done, but as mentioned, don't scrap. Do not scrap this board or anything on it until you know it's not working. So, we finally made it to the board. So, you can see the processor here. If you look in all these little crevices, it's all a bunch of gold in here. Again, you have those very nice big monolithic capacitors that you find on these PlayStation motherboards. Get some nice IC chips. Some gold in the connectors here, HDMI, Ethernet, little hard drive connection, some more gold there, some more gold in here. Overall, quite a bit of valuable stuff. Some more monolithic capacitors here, but like I said, it's working. Do not do anything to this. Like I said, if you get one of these, unless it's completely totaled, run over by a car, smashed to bits, do not scrap it. Even if it's not working, it's worth $200 to $300. So that's it. If you guys have any questions, comments, you can check it out below, and I'll try to answer and reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.